Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson. I made a lot of progress today, more than I thought I was going to, especially since I got my flu shot and I had a couple other printers break, but really happy. Chris is running, so had to do a lot. Got the dual Z-axis working, which I'm really pleased with. Got some problems though. The print head hits the front right here. So I had to go into the firmware, which was an interesting project in itself, but I changed the firmware to reduce the bed size so it doesn't hit these front two posts. I got that done, and I also changed the stepping to 1600 steps per, I think, millimeter for the Z-axis. So it really moves that motor pretty quickly now. But it's been a long time since I've had a stock Ender 5. We're pretty close to one. And I had to move the screen temporarily to here. It'll be in the front with like the other ones eventually. But I put it on this little cart so I can spin it around. I'm really happy with the setup in the back. I like that. So this is the first print I tried. And you know, overall I'm pretty happy so far. It's putting filament down, and I think I've got the bed fairly level. I think I got the Z-axis, the dual Z-axis aligned pretty well. So we'll see how this turns out, but I'm thinking what I'm going to do is probably look at the extended mount and take this back part off and mount these back here so I have a little bit more clearance. And just move the whole thing back some. But yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen a Bowden tube work. So, but let's see, what else I have to do. Oh, I'm gonna make some new cables too. I just got an old extruder or some kind of cable to run the second Z-axis, but it's got an end stop on it, so I want to change that. I'm thinking I'm going to redo all my hot ends. I'm going to do ribbon cable instead of. I'm just having too many problems with these cables breaking the connections. So I'm going to look at ribbon cables. I've tried a little bit already. I've got this the extruder motor running off of a ribbon cable here. I've got some heavier ribbon cable on order. So I'm going to see how that works out, but I really like having the connectors right on the hot end. But this one died on me about halfway through this print I started yesterday. Just a wire or a connector broke, so here's what happened. I just had to take this one off and make something else up really quickly. I like having all the connectors here so I can just do whatever I need to. I've got JST, I've got ferrules, I've got different kinds of Molex connectors. Comes in really handy. If you're going to do this for a hobby, it really pays to have a lot of spare parts. Well, any questions, please leave them, and had a lot of fun with this. Thanks for watching, and have a safe week.